The Ndebele future tense is straightforward, especially when we compare it to the past tense. What you simply say is niza. When you want to say I will do this or do that. For example, niza kubona, I will see you. Nizabuya, I will come. Nizabuya kusasa, I'll come tomorrow. Nizabuya ngolwesihlanu, I will come on Friday. Okay. Nizakutshela, I will tell you. Okay. Nizakhuluma laye, I will talk to him, talk to her. Right. So the small difference between Ndebele and Zulu when it comes to the future tense is where you are saying niza, ngesindebele. In Zulu you will say nizo, a and o. That's the difference. Okay. And obviously a bit of the accent. And so ngizobuya, I'll come. Ngizophenduka, ngizokhuluma naye. And in examples that I just gave. So if you wanted to say that I will do this for you or I will do this to you, here is how you say it. For example, I will bring you something, right? Ngizakuphathela indandatho. I'll bring you a ring, right? Ngizaku, there is the one that's signifying I will do it for you or to you. Angithi ngizakutshengisa, I will show you. Alright? Ngizakuthengela umbhayimbayi wedali. And right, I will buy for you a gun. Angithi ngizakuthengela. Okay. Ngizakuphekela, I will cook for you. Right. Ngizakunika imali yakho, I'll give you your money. All right. Even in threats, when you're saying I will insult you, I'll box you, right? Ngizakuthetisa, ngizakunqinda, right? So that's how you say I will do this to you or for you. Ogu, ngizaku, and then you add the verb. Okay. So sometimes you want to talk about other people in the future tense. You say so and so will do this, will do that tomorrow, next week, next year. And here is how you go about it. Umama uzaphelekezela umsizi esikolo. Mom will accompany umsizi to school, right? That's how you can talk about someone. Another way, usiza lobuhle uzagamula isihlahla kusasa. Siza lobuhle will chop the tree down tomorrow. Okay. Usiza uza. The first one we said umama uza phelekezela. Right. Umalume uthe uzabhadala amagetsi emini. Uncle said that he will pay the electricity in the afternoon. Okay. Uthe uzabhadala. Angithi ubabakazi uzangithungela isigqoko esihle. My aunt will sew a beautiful dress for me. Okay. Uzangithungela. Uza is the one that's signifying the future. Untombi kayise uzabasa umlilo ntambama. Untombi kayise will start a fire in the evening. Okay, uzabasa. Getting it? Right. Then if you're talking about many people, right, you want to say these two people will do this or that, two or more people. Here are examples for you. Abantwana bazabuyela esikolo ngeviki ezayo. The children will go back to school next week. Okay. Bazabuyela. When you're talking about only yourself, you say ngizabuyela. If you're talking about one person, ubaba uzabuyela emsebenzini. And now abantwana bazabuyela. Angitsho. Umpi yakhe lobuhle benkosi bazatshata ngomnyaka ozayo. Umpi yakhe and buhle benkosi will get married next year. Bazatshata. Abakhwenyana bazaletha inkomo zamalobolo ngeviki ezayo. the sons-in-law will bring the kettle next week, right? Yes, the lobola kettle next week. How abantu? Abantu basenkayi bazahlangana lenduna yabo kusasa. The Nkai people will meet up with their chief tomorrow. Right, so that's how you will, you will, she will, they will. Let me know if it makes sense.